The quiz is on days 1 through 4, remember, day 1 through 4. So all the vocabulary plus 2 partition questions. 33 points if you're interested. Okay, 33 points. If you want to review, there's 2 ways to review this packet that I've given you, which is up on Classroom, all the answers. And remember I showed you on Friday, everyone signed up for Delta Math. There's the Unit 5 quiz review on there on Delta Math. So 2 different ways you can review. There's no homework tonight. I'm not checking anything tomorrow. Yara?
I just had a question on when we'll get the last unit test back.
I have it sitting right over there, so as soon as I'm done talking, I'll get it back. Yep. All right, so here we go. I just want to go through a couple constructions, basic constructions, and then I'm going to let you go on your own. There is one construction on there tomorrow. There is one. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Could be anything. Okay, one construction on there tomorrow, and I don't want to say anything else, but I do want to prep you that there is one. All right, real quickly, I'm going to go over these 3 basic constructions, and then we'll talk how can I use them in this unit. So constructing a midpoint or a perpendicular bisector. So everyone grab yourself a line segment. Go ahead, can just make yourself a line segment with your straight edge. That's all I need here to start this out. Okay, it's the same construction. If I wanted to find the midpoint of my line segment CD or construct the perpendicular bisector as CD, same construction. All right, so I grab my compass. Hopefully at this point we know what we're going to end up doing here. If I want to find the midpoint or the perpendicular bisector of CD, all right, I put my compass point on one of the endpoints, open it up more than half the length of my segment, and then I make a decent size arc, half circle type arc. Keep it open, go to point D, and make sure I swing another arc that intersects the first one in 2 spots. I don't know what that is. Line up the straight edge. Draw my line through. All right, just so we know what we've done here, what's this line right here I just drew in with my straight edge? What's that? That's your perpendicular bisector. And then where it went through on CD is your midpoint. Okay, can we talk? Now using the new vocabulary from this unit, where would I need this construction? Okay, using the new vocabulary from this unit, where would I need this construction? Well, ready? You know where the midpoint is. What's the segment called that goes to the midpoint in a triangle? Oh, good thing we're reviewing. Median. So if I was asked to construct a median, which you will here, I'd be using this construction. All right, let kids keep going. Median, median, median. There's 3 of them in a triangle. Where do they all intersect? Centroid. Yep, this is big. This is all the vocab on there tomorrow. Centroid. So if I was asked to find the centroid, I would use this construction. More. This also got me a perpendicular bisector. Right, a perpendicular bisector. If I did all 3, where do they intersect on a triangle? So this would also be the same construction I would use for circumcenter. Pretty powerful construction, huh? Gets you a lot of things. All right, gets you a lot of things. Get you median. It'll get you the centroid of a triangle, and it'll also get you the circumcenter. Questions? All right, I want to do 2 more here with you. Next one is constructing a perpendicular line from a point not on the line. So everyone go ahead, you grab your straight edge, give yourself a line, and give yourself a point above the line somewhere. Call it point P. All right, how do I draw a perpendicular line going through P now? Grab your compass, put it on point P, and make an arc that does what?
Intersects two on the line.
Correct. Open up your compass such that it intersects your line in two spots. Some of you, I don't know if you need to extend your line, please do so. So 1, 2, intersect in two spots. Now I go where?
So points of intersection.
Each point of intersection. I make two more arcs that intersect each other. I don't care that these I don't care about if it intersects the first one. I'm just concerned it intersects each other, the last two. And then I line it up with point P and draw in my perpendicular line. What could this be used for? Perpendicular coming from a point. What could this be used for? Give me some vocabulary terms here. Circumcenter? That's perpendicular bisector. I'm not necessarily bisecting this though. This would be used for the circumcenter, nothing else. What else could I use this one for? Why? Back up. You're going ahead of me here. Because the orthocenter is the intersection of the what, Jim? Altitude, right? Hey, look, watch. That's an altitude right there, isn't it? Coming from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. Yeah. So we could use altitude to construct an altitude. We could use this. And now, yes, to construct the orthocenter, because that's where all three altitudes are. And then the last one I want to review with you is a real quick one, angle bisector. Go ahead, just make yourself freehand an angle. Just review angle bisector. Remember, I put my compass point on the vertex of the angle I'm bisecting. Make an arc through. And then some of you already know the deal here. I go to each point of intersection and make two more arcs that intersect right above that one, the first one. And what would this be good? Why would I need this construction? To find the in center, and that's it. The purpose of me doing this with you is to show you all you need is three constructions. That's it. Those three constructions will get you any of the new points or lines that I need. What's up, Raker?
On the quiz tomorrow,
Yep.
will it be like this?
No. I can tell you on the quiz tomorrow. Here you go. Here are the options for the quiz tomorrow. Your new terms, like construct a median, construct an altitude, or I might just get real nuts and go, hey, find the circumcenter using constructions. In center. What else do I have? Orthocenter. And centroid, yep. No, it will not be like one of these three I'm showing you. I will ask one of the new vocabulary terms. So here are my possibilities to construct. Now remember, before I let you go, for these here, your points of concurrency, You don't need to do all three, right? 2 is good. 2 is fine if you do it correctly. The third one is like a check. Like here, circumcenter. You don't need to do all 3 perpendicular bisectors. 2 would be sufficient enough. You know the third one, where the third one would intersect. So that's what you're going to try right now. Okay, can you get out your Chromebooks for me, please? I just want to make sure you have the answer key up. It's under homework, all right? You guys know where to find our homework answers. This is where the answer key is. I even did the constructions this time, huh? Went all out for this. Even the constructions I put up there. So you have this packet in front of you to review, all right? I know there's constructions coming up, but then there's actual algebra vocabulary questions at the end. All my answers are up on Classroom, and then you have Delta Math, remember, to review from. Okay, I've given you as much as I think you'll need for tomorrow. You guys go where you want. You don't have to do the packet if you want. Go ahead, that's fine. You can try out the Delta Math. You could skip around in the packet, so you're just not doing constructions the whole time. All right, and then you can go from here. Okay. All right, so you choose if you want to work with other people, move around the room. I got plenty of free space around here. So that's what you guys got going on here for the next 15 minutes. 15 minutes. If you want my help, call me over. You got my answer keys there, and you got Delta Math. Please make use of it. And also, Delta Math, I put partition questions up on Delta Math too. This weekend, I put some partition ones up there.